right, peoples. I'm gonna know how we gonna do. Oh, no. We ain't gonna do well if we don't set this thing up correctly. There we go. All right. Now, can we make it? Oh, and it's a wiggle. Okay. We got a wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh. I can't see. I'm coming. But oh yeah, we could go up the hills and everything. It's race time. We gotta get them more. We gotta get another one. It's race time. We might have to go get another one today. Real live.
Can you imagine the footage?
Yeah.
Like going through the back trails, like how?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Woo-hoo! Okay. I ain't see that stump at all till I hit it.
Motherfucker did a triple front flip.
All right, we got some fun to have over here.
Jump in this, I don't want you to do no jump to where it can break.
What jump?
From grass to grass, over the pavement. You think it'll catch flight?
Let's find out.
That train putting in work too. It's trying to. Oh! Let me move this motherfucker.
Oh! It did take flight though. It did take flight. Okay.
It definitely jumped that motherfucker.
Uh-huh.
Oh! It didn't even cover, can't even cover.
Ah, almost. If it wasn't so much. Hey, yo, this is fun. Yeah. It is fun.
Oh, yeah, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it ain't terrible. We could find a better spot, but for this little test right here that we doing, you know what I'm saying? We can have some fun. Watch out. Yo, this is cause I was supposed to come up over here. Oh, I see it now. I see it now. I see the line. I see the line.
Hey.
Ooh!
Hey. It's just something about it being a bike, the little dude being on it, and it's just staying upright. Like that shit is vibe, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, and he tough as shit, son. Oh, we got blockage. We got blockage.
Oh, I knew I was gonna do that. Yo, this is the move. We gotta find another hill with a
Yeah. We can go down. Let's start going down towards the pond. We can take this trail right here.
I know I'm about to hit that tree. Oh, I ain't go. You said we could take the trail?
Yeah. And we oh, there's start.
Actually, we ain't even hit over here at all. Hold on. The actual dirt that he's supposed to be on. Oh yeah, my man is getting it.
Yo, you take them bars off, you can get like a perspective shot, and it might fuck around and look real out there.
Yeah. Cause see, that's why I say I gotta learn how to drive it. Cause you know what I'm saying? Once I learn how to drive for real, yeah. Yeah, this is that field. That's how they get to the one of them dirt bike, the real dirt bike. That's how they get there. Right there. Yeah, I couldn't see. Oh, that's another field. More space.
Okay, I got you. That's the main road right there.
Uh-huh.
But I don't see nothing that's saying stay out. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Oh man, look at that.
That right there is the perspective shot right there going up that hill.
Yeah.
All right, let me see.
Come on, babe.
I was wondering about that high grass. I was wondering about that high grass, what it would do.
Ball down a little bit more. That's it. Hey. That motherfucker goes, bruh.
Yeah, I missed the water on purpose, and that was the sweet drink. I was trying to miss the water. I'm learning how to get this thing.
You got
Yeah.
it.
For everybody who's trying to figure out if it willies on the grass.
Yo, that shit looks so fucking stupid. Damn.
Got caught. All right. This is love right here. I like it. Let me know in the comments if y'all think we should go ahead and get like 2-3 of these things, cause I'm gonna need another one for my purposes.
Yeah, I definitely need
But
to shoot my damn stuff.
you know what I'm saying? Oh.
Hey.
Oh, it was too much of a dip, and I ain't had enough throttle on. This right here look like some fun right here, actually.
Going up and back and forth.
Yeah. This look like a real little dirt bike trail for real.
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's a big ass little gap.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, he's getting it. Hey, I see
Oh. But yeah, this is way more fun than I thought it would be. Is that a little bank up there? On a turn?
Like.
Is that a bank turn right there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try not to be muddy at the end of this day. Ah, almost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I knew he was gonna do that because he was facing the wrong way when I hit that rock.
High grass ain't nothing for that little nigga. Hey!
Yo! Yeah. Yeah, my man, yeah.
My man said, look, bro, stop sleeping on me. I ain't going like that.
We out here. We out
I
here.
ain't going like that.
My man said, look, you in Willie mode. Stop playing with it.
And you just full spread right now, right?
Almost, yeah. We gotta get through. Let's go. We got more spots to take care of. We got more to check out. All right, y'all. New spot. We coming back.
And the joint puts in work, especially in like little surface areas like this.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you ask me, that was a little extreme.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
If the balance had an actuator to stand the joint back up for you, that would be sweet. Hey, baby.
Yo.
Hey, he put some work in this little area.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that was sweet. Almost a recovery. Yeah, this is fun. I gotta figure out how to go slow. He don't go too slow. Oh yeah, you do? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, so he can cruise. Oh, that's lit.
Yeah, it's just me and the throttle. He can cruise. Okay. He can do some cruising. After he get to going. Yeah, on the pavement, we straight.
Yeah,
We straight. Yo, why'd I have to see the steps right here? Nope.
Not yet.
Nope. I ain't had it long enough.
That's a stress test right there.
Yeah, I ain't.
That's a stress test.
I ain't trying to do a stress test.
Hey, okay, I see.
No stress test. We just, hey. Hold up. Did we break up? Your arm broke. Dislocated. Oh, I see what it is. He get back. He alright. He can still ride.
That's a tough dude right there. Hey, that's fire though. You can take it downhill on 2 wheels.
Yo.
This is the first of its kind, right?
Um.
I'm sure there's been other RC.
Yeah, it's been other RC bikes, but this the first. Yeah, this the first. Nah, not they had flywheels and whatnot. This the first one, like this though.
All the other joints was a little fragile.
I ain't gonna say fragile, but they wasn't.
What's the range on that remote?
I'm not sure.
Low key though, like that ramp. Hey.
Now I'm gonna see if I can get all the way to the car without breaking it. I'm in the bush or something. Oh yeah, battery dead. That's full throttle right there.
Oh man.
He did.
I did what I did.
Flywheel off. But yeah. He look like this every time I get done with him, but I clean him off.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So he don't look.
He fucked up.
Yeah. But at this point, it's like, yeah, he a dirt bike.
Dirt bike, right.
You know what I'm saying? It's
That comes with the
supposed to have some dirt somewhere.
Yeah. That comes with the territory, you know what I'm saying? You ain't doing it right if it ain't dirty.
But yeah, he get the job done as far as fun goes.